Hello and welcome to I Remember the Rain. You will leave this video very sad. I'm giving you a warning right now. I'm not joking at all. I did do a playthrough of this game and I did record it, but all the volume was screwed up and everything. But be warned. I'm not gonna do my ending by Will, so I'll get that out of the way, and I'm also going to do my opening right now, which is, I have coffee, I have my fingerless Pokeball gloves on, let's do this. But since I'm not going to do my ending, because I know I won't really have it in me by the end of this, like, dislike, comment for other games I should play that are free and from Game Jolt, and also tell me how I can do better, and even subscribe if you feel like it. Let's do it. Alright, here we go.
It's funny the things you remember. I remember the rain. Thousands of tiny razors against my skin.
Again, I won't be talking too much, so I'm sorry if you do like hearing my voice. Many people don't, but I'm sorry if you actually do like hearing my voice. I'll give a little bit of feedback though.
Kick back. The ambulance will be here
I almost bled to death. I couldn't. I had to find you. And when I did, I almost wished that I hadn't. I sat there, playing out the situations, the things I could have said and how I could have changed it.
Hello.
I've been waiting here for days.
The doctor said he was only sleeping.
Oh.
You just have to wait like the rest of them.
I'm so sorry. There's nothing more we could have done.
Oh, really? Huh? Yeah, you're a stinging doctor. Whatever.
May your memories give you strength.
We live in the hearts of those we leave behind.
Do we really go to a better place?
How can you sum up someone's entire life in a single day? So many words I wanted to say. I spoke to them, but I said them to you. I can't fucking do it. I've learned to live without you, but still, sometimes I wish that I was the one that died. I wish that it was me in that car, and you in that way. That it was you standing here now.
But it isn't like that, is it? I'd give it all for you if I could. It's funny the things you remember. I remember the rain.
Good, huh? That was good. I hope you can try to have a good day after that. I really do. Alright, bye.